Khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. The dark is here to rule.
Banwan ra ya jinge dai ka bakhamjan shaki paj ba nalor ka bapej ban penne ya shong suk shong san bat ban tam ya kamruna rusia kakenhun Pulit Central Reserve Police Force jong ka 7 Battalion haka absan tarik uleber arjar apulai kala pli paj ba ya ka school bala Pynshna ban maramwat haka snong Marngar Ribhoi district ya ka bala tiap kum ka Seng Khasi primary school kakenhun Pulit Crpf kala maramwat bat shna pen bahaya ka ni ka school lingba ka civic action program kum shibentaban kentiu ya kapuli puthi joki khna school hakani ka singila sakhilang nalu ki noyalam snong ki khna school bat ki noi kai ki bala pen paw ya jing skokmen nalo ki kamba baha bala le daga ni ka kenhon Pulit Crpf bat kum juru komandan jongani ka kenhon Pulit ka sarkar pedeng u aluk batacharya u bala long kongsan ringkat ka jingdon lang jong ki wei ki he officer jong ka kenhon Pulit Crpf kani ka kenhon kala samru ikitiar yele kai sports shaka school Crpf secondary school Marngar kabalong shibentaban kentiu ki kamil kai sport ki khna hakate ka school
Kila Seng house nem alhajan rio. Te kila ya jibun kijing ha kaba tak hado usnem alhaja kwe kila yo ya kajing ito lembak sarkar bagi yo kajing ram naka SSA. Te kala ya nado alhaja kwe hado mentau usnem alhaja gula. Te kane kajing ya lenti jong school jongi kalong cisha kaba kini kinong kitkam kini kinong punya kilangat kilahap wan ya lenti sibun kijing nama kihap ban pumi nala kajong ka fon lajong ban siu tulok ya ki nong hikai hakapor ba ka school jongi kampat yo rung hak SSA dai tat ndalayo hak SSA ki bapli kila khamduna kajing kit kia aku biadai bat ikatulok nrai sibon ki jong kam aku biadai bat ka school kumba pilayu i ki parasnong wat kini ki ramba ki bawan kini ki CRPF ki bawan ki layu i ki bon ki jingduna nado ki kamra kelas ngimla man penbiang katkum karukom ka biadai ban pensuk ban ai kita ka jingnang ka jing start ka jing hikai ka babiang nak bentagi kena mar ka kamera kalong ka berit atak rong impala ban pia lala ki jong ki kamera ni hap ban simlang ha ka jo ka kamera ya lai kelas aus kelas wat kum juro nakaliang jongi kinong hikai ni hap ban ile stom da ka ba ni sim kelas ha ka jo ka priya lai sa nama khnang ba ki khna kin yo lang ka jing hikai te na kalian jungi kinoi hikai ro kan no isem kata ka jing nrei wala ka taro ni kwa baka school jungi kan ya bed kan ya le ban kiu na ka wei ka por si wei ka por ngi ban se te nrei don bom ba how mentions name how is name aja apu a na kalian jung kini ki CRPF kilawan pet ya kan di school jongi kila yu i ke jingduna te kila ya keren makinong peniat bat ngi noikai kila yu i bat kila kular kiti sepa tementa kumba kila yu i kati kelas kala biang ngila la ban pensyong ngila la ban hikai bahai kena te kajing songo kalong kaba sibon na kaliang jongi ke school.
You are a very good social worker. You are helping. You are helping all those school or whatever who are remain background or who are remain in the stay behind. So very thankful from our side because you have given us cricket bats, and then cricket materials, and then net for this badminton and all. So little bit, I want to elaborate you, sir. 6 or 7 years before, we have introduced in our school only, just like a school week. So in those time, we used to conduct this competition like a cricket and then like a badminton. But after that, all those materials it goes away, spoils away. So we could not conduct all these things. So, but from now onward, I expect in our school that we can conduct again this type of program. And also little bit I want to elaborate you, sir, and I want to inform you that our school, we used to participate a district level school athletic meet every year, which is held in the Paham Sim ground. And in that meet, sport meet, our school also we used to bring a gold medal, like a bronze medal, and then a silver medal. Around 10, some of the years we used to bring 10 medals, some of the years we used to bring 15 medals later. That means we can produce a lot of sports person from our school also. 3 years before, one student, she participated in the high jump and she got the first also. And in the state level also, our student, around 6 or 7 students, they used to participate in the state level also. And then around 3-4 medals they used to bring for our school. So it is a very great moment for our school. I think last time, even mom also is here. So from her side, they helped our school computer also, around 6 computer, no? So this time also, sports material. So thank you once again. Though you are coming late,
And we've been trying to contribute in our own small way to the people of this area. So there were approaches from various segments of the society, and then one of the requirements projected to us was to build up a school building which was not exactly fully constructed. So the approach came from Ms. Arundhati Paul, Mr. Prahlad, Mrs. Prahlad, and then we were approached about doing something about this school. Fortunately, and we're very happy and privileged that our proposal was approved by the government, and then we could launch ourselves into this project, and within a very short period of time we've been able to build a school, multiple school classrooms in the school, which I'm sure will help the youth and the residents of the area in times to come. Here I would like to also mention that once we began the work, there were others, people from the wider citizenry who got interested, and we started receiving more help. So most of time, and within a very short period of time, not only we could finish our work, we received further help from benefactors who don't want to be named here, but then they have helped in a huge manner. And so the happy consequence of this is that not only is one floor complete, the other floor, the first floor of the building, is also likely to be completed. Support from the citizenry, support from the local area, and then we are always there to help with our resources, call it manpower or skill or whatever, with the help of the local residents, everybody.